Chinese medical team's traditional acupuncture therapy has been gaining popularity in Honiara, the capital of the Solomon Islands, with its effect winning widespread recognition from local residents.
I have visited the acupuncture treatment for six days now. Okay, today will be my 7th day, and I think I'm on 10 days program. Okay, for the last 6 days, I felt very much different. Their presence here is, I think this is what we need. We very much need in this country.
I really appreciated the doctors. They are very professionals, and they know what they are doing. They are all very punctual. They are very kind. They have a very good relationship with the Solomon Islanders.
Listed by the United Nations as one of the world's least developed countries, the Solomon Islands has less than ideal health infrastructure. In primary level and regional clinics, there are only nurses and nursing assistants available to treat patients, while doctors can just be found at provincial hospitals. After the establishment of bilateral diplomatic relations in 2019, China started to dispatch medical teams, including doctors and nurses, to the Solomon Islands in early 2022. Currently, the second batch of 8 Chinese medical team members are working here. George Wilson Malifosi, CEO of the National Referral Hospital, told Xinhua that it is a milestone to have acupuncture as a formal treatment in the hospital.
It's a milestone to have acupuncture as a formal treatment in the hospital. I think one of the benefits of having acupuncture is cost effective. It's limited resources. It doesn't cost that much involved in providing medication for the public. And I think that's really important in terms of providing access to poor people without resources.
Considering the health service situation in the Solomon Islands, the Chinese medical team is composed of medics specialized in treating varying illnesses.
They provide us some of the expertise that we don't have in the country and even in the region. We have urologists, we have nephrologists, and also we have a cardiologist. So that paved way for further development that we anticipate.
Over the past 3 months in the Solomon Islands, the Chinese medical team has provided acupuncture services for over 1,800 patients, treated over 1,400 people with nephrological, urological, and radiological diseases, organized 16 training programs on pathology, and conducted 30 urological surgeries.